Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, y'all, we have another Coach unboxing. So we are going to open this up, unwrap it, and see what we got. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe if you like to see more of my content. And be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Welcome back, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. Okay, y'all, so we got, if you can see what I see, a Coach Rogue. Let me move the box out of the way. Okay, I wasn't quite expecting this wrapping, but let's see what's going on with it. So the color is Heather Gray Multi. Online it shows, there's a better view of it, Heather Gray Multi, but online it's described or came up as a Colorblock Rogue. So let's see what it looks like. And I could have left that there, but okay, so of course, since this says genuine glove-tanned leather, then you already know that this is extremely soft leather. Hope you can read that. And you see the feet on the bottom. Close-up of this smooth leather, y'all. The camera does it no justice at all. So with it being color block, the outside, it is, as it stated, Heather Gray. The interior here, or sides, I would probably say that this is, I guess, maybe more of a blood red color. The zipper is more of a dark brown, but the leather here is more of a blood red or burgundy, maroon, however you would want to describe it. And this is one of the main features of the Rogue, is the exaggerated zipper. So let's unwrap it and see what we got. The hang tag does have quite a bit of weight to it as well. Alright, so I guess I will start with unwrapping the handles. I love this color combination. I think it's very different and pretty, with the dark interior and handles. I would say that kind of, with it being a color block in this set of colors, makes it comparable with all seasons, should I say, because gray can be worn year-round. Usually the darker maroon colors are supposedly for the winter time or fall, but I think it's a good combination. And of course, with any charms I decide to wear with it or add to it, that will help regardless of which season I carry it in as well. You know, I'm trying to get this off without cutting the tag off. Maybe I want to pop the tag later. But they There we go. The tape caught on to it. So, yes. Okay. So it says Colorblock on here as well. That's the coding for Colorblock leather rogue bag. And then up here it says Heather Gray Multi as well. Back to the tour of the bag. So this is the pair of straps. And I'll unwrap those also, but I want to get to the inside of the bag. Super soft. So, since the charm is on this side, I'm going to say that this is the front of the bag that has this little card slot there. The whole interior is this, oh my goodness, y'all, this leather is so soft. So the back side, I guess you would say, has a larger slip pocket, and the interior is kind of that canvas on the back. And let's unzip it. And this particular Rogue falls in the Coach Rogue 30 category. The 39 is the step above this one, and the 25 is the step below. So here is the longer crossbody strap. And it's stuffed pretty well. So this bag looks like it does hold a good amount. And then having the side compartments will also add to it as well. I don't know why I thought that the side pockets or side compartments had an option to snap to the center one. So I guess that was something that I misunderstood or misremembered, should I say. So the inside of the center compartment, it just has a slip pocket. And it looks like there is a button closure to this particular pocket. Okay. So yeah, I think it's going to hold a good amount. I believe over time it can slouch. So there are some inserts, I believe, on Amazon that I can put in here to kind of make sure that it stays standing. If I don't want it to slouch. But I am expecting it to slouch over time, depending on how much I actually, how I pack it, should I say. And I can do some quick measurements for it as well. If you all could comment and let me know if you are an admirer of the Coach Rogue, if you have a Coach Rogue, what color you have, if you have a pretty big collection. Looks like across it's about 12 inches. And then the height, it's under 10, so about 9.5 inches for the height of the bag. So 12 by 9.5, and I think that's the same thing that it shows on the little chart or graph on the Coach website that shows the 39 all the way down to, I believe it's a 12 or 17 or maybe smaller. So it has all of the Coach Rogues in order by size. So approximately 12 by 9.5, and then the width is about 5.5. So it's a good size. I have thought about getting the 39 as well in a different color. I'm not sure yet. I will probably need to carry this one to see if I do want the larger one or not, or if I would want a smaller one. But it does have, I would say it has a good, it's not heavy, but I believe the handles itself and the hardware kind of add to the sturdiness of it. And if I see the weight as well, I'll include that also. But overall, I'm really glad with the, or happy with the color combinations. I'm loving the color block, because I kind of thought that these two were the same colors, but I'm glad it's not. So clearly I can see that this is more of a maroon burgundy color, and the zipper is brown. Also, I did see a couple videos kind of comparing the newer Coach Rogues to the older Coach Rogues. And I believe the difference, or the main difference that was pointed out, was that on some of the newer Coach Rogues, there's a glaze here versus the leather wrapped around and stitched here. I think the leather stops on this side, and then there's glazing here instead. There is glaze across the top, but I believe that was one of the differences on the newer ones versus the older ones, was that it has a glaze opening on all around here versus the leather being wrapped around and stitched down the inside. So you all, this is it. Excuse me. This is my unboxing of the Coach Rogue and the color block. Comment and let me know if you like this particular one, or what's your favorite color. I look forward to reading you all's comments. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, I did not open the straps, so I will go ahead and close out the video. I already closed it out anyway. And I'll just go ahead and open the straps. So if you do want to see the straps in the bag, continue watching. But thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.